Alright, part 3 on this Nissan Murano. Ready to get this thing knocked out of the way. I'm tired of coming back. AutoZone still couldn't get it right. Got here this morning and the sensors were still wrong. And so I color coded and wired in the old plug onto the new sensor. I'm gonna get a lot of hate for it, but I don't care. Tired of messing with it, and nobody can find the right sensors. It's just different. And I'll show you guys the difference real quick. That's sitting side by side, flush, level with each other. There's different plugs. Yeah, you see how high the lips are on this one plug versus the other plug. This is the plug that came on it. Just ain't right due to trash garbage. So I guess we'll just pray for the best, because I'm gonna get this thing put back together and be done. Alright guys, I got that cat in, the O2 sensor. Well, both of them. I still gotta put the top one in, but yeah. Alright, I got everything finished up. I just got to put the little breather box back in and a little cover for the engine on there. I'm gonna have to put coolant back in it, but we'll check that in a sec. Actually, I'm gonna do that right now. It looks like I can still see fluid, but I'll leave the cap off to crank. Alright, get on here and clear the codes. If it ain't already clear, because I've had the battery disconnected for 4 days. Okay, that's pretty impressive that it saved all that. Okay. Let's put those. Engine off. Engine back on. Or accessory on. And it says permanent, but it's gonna go away. Yes sir, running much better. It feels like the power steering's going out.